That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, if you are new here, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We are going to be making some crab deviled eggs, and right now I already have mine boiling, and I'm just going to set them to the side so that they can steam for another additional 10 minutes. And after that, I'm going to put them over an ice bath so it can cool down and peel a little bit easier. And I'm using the crab meat from the refrigerated section of Walmart, and I like it. It's got really good flavor. It is hand picked, so just be careful. There may be some particles from the blue crab still in the meat, so like I said, just be careful. And this is what it looks like after you have emptied the packet. I am going to just separate the meat just a little bit better using this fork here. So I'm just going to set the mixture to the side so that I can begin peeling the eggs. And I do recommend putting a plastic bag in a separate bowl to peel the eggs so that it'll make for an easy emptying. So I did take the time to cut the eggs open off camera, and I put the yolks in the same bowl as the crab meat. These are your ingredients you're gonna need: Old Bay, garlic powder, salt, Texas Pete, and some mayonnaise of your choice, and a little bit of lemon. So I'm just going ahead and combining the yolks with the crab meat. I like to eyeball the way I add my spices and things, but if I had to be technical, that's probably a third of a cup of mayonnaise. That's about 10 dashes of hot sauce, a pinch of salt. Add more or less, it's up to your taste buds, and that is a pinch of garlic, and that's about 10 to 12 shakes of Old Bay seasoning, just if you want me to be technical. I really did think that I was going to be able to make this without my little partner in crime here, but y'all, I'm sorry. All there is left to do is filling up these eggs, so I'm just gonna make quick work of it. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this little video today. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed already, please consider doing so. And the last step for these eggs would just be adding an additional shake or two of Old Bay seasoning for an extra kick. Like I said, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.